Welcome back then, gentlemen. Today you're just going to be putting on these, if you can see that there. Take the light off, that better. So Dianthus pluminaris. These are really beautiful, these pink, they're called Carnations, if you don't know. So I'm really looking forward to, like I said, look, they're already starting to grow really tall, these. All I'll do, I'm just using these trays I got last year, somebody given me. I think we got some pansies or something. Oh, I got them actually last year. I think I bought some pansies in them from my local shop. So I'll fill that first, and then we'll pick those out and put them on. I mean, I normally use these, but I'm sick of having to move them out singly because I haven't got enough trays to put them in. By using these, I can just pick them up, and they're just a lot easier to handle at the moment. So I'm using a peat-based compost. So yeah, all you need to do is just get the light back on here, folks. All you need to do is just fill it to the top, spread it out, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Monkey says hi, by the way, don't you, Monkey? Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Right, mate. Yeah, give it a tap down, like so. Yeah, that should be enough. Put one in there. And then to prick them out, you can use anything sharp, anything to get underneath them. I like to use a pen. So yeah, get underneath, try and get as much root as you can with it. As you can see the root there. Just see that there. Just be really gentle with them. Just get a close up of this if I can, folks. Just see it there. Nice root system. All we'll do then, get his pen, and like so, in the middle. If you're having problems with the root going down, just twist your plant a little bit. At the top, you should twist the root in, and then a little bit of compost around there to backfill. As you can see then, we are sorted. I always like to try and get them as centred as I can. I use a peat-based compost at the moment. I'm going to use peat-free when some decent stuff comes out. So if anybody's got any suggestions, I've got a good suggestion that I'm just going to order some, what they've suggested. I forget the name of it now, but I'll be ordering that over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, peat-based, it has some feed in it, which is great, because I've also got some verbascum here that have not been fed. This is just the feed that's in the compost that's kept these going. As soon as I plant these up, I shall start feeding them, and then when I put these up, I shall show you one that I grew from last year from seed, and that one is just about to flower, which I'm really pleased about. Hope everybody's keeping well. Here in the UK, we've had some really stormy weather for the UK over the last few days, well, last week or so. It has been really bad. It sounded like the roof was coming off my greenhouse. I know some people have actually lost their greenhouses, which I can't sympathise enough. It's terrible. You save up your money, you buy a greenhouse, and then bang, gone. So I hope everybody's okay. As long as everybody's safe, that's the main thing, I suppose. Right, let's get another one in here, folks. Sorry about rabbiting on. Another one in here. This has grown into a big piece of peat there, so I need to take that out. Let's backfill round. Yeah, these will look really well. I like these because you can put them in your baskets and they trail really well over the sides. Yeah, I think I've got how many more? Yeah, I think I should just have enough. I think might just 6 in here. 6 doesn't sound a lot, but 6 goes a long way with these. So in like so. Close it up. Bit of compost around the edge. Yeah, just another couple more, and then we're done. And then I should show you, if I remember, I should show you the one that I grew from last year. I faced it in, it was in my vertical planter, which I'm going to be making some more of. I'm going to make at least 2 or 3 of those this year, because I love them. You get all the space, and just a vertical 5 or 6 pots, basically like tipsy topsy planter, and I think they look great. I mean, I didn't do the one I did last year. I didn't do it till really late, so do it earlier to be even better. So yeah, number 6 in like so. Bit of compost, tap it in, Only two, then you just give that a water, which I've run out of, so I'm going to go to the house and get some water. Give that water and they'll be fine. I shall fetch the one that I grew last year from seed. Ta-da! Bang! There we go. I'm so pleased with this. Look at this. So I mean about them trailing over the edge. Look at that. I mean, this was so tiny when I fetched it in. Look at the flower buds on there already. Probably taking cuttings off this as well. It's got some good cutting material up there. So yeah, look at all that new growth ready to come. So this is what they can look looking like. And if that was outside and it was warmer, that'd be 2 or 3 times the size it is now. So yeah, this is going to look really well this year. So are these. So yeah, that's basically potting on your carnations, your pinks, your dianthus. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Thank you very much, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Please keep safe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.